Do you ever not open those eyes to see again your old life? Do you ever look back to that night right before the world cried? We've never been here before. To not love less, to love more. And now after all that we've seen, yeah, I'm sure it's for me what will be. I wait for winter's pass and we try to make it last, but it's difficult at best when our hearts can never rest. At night it is the worst. All we say we're passing first, then delete the messages, the ones that really hurt. We send out our call. Love runs from all. The world's different now. We feel more of us. When the days are getting tough, a little bit's enough. When all that's left is love. Spring has come along and the leaves are off the lawn. Wishing I could stop the fear as the summer nights come near. We're locked inside our beds, but we laugh at what is said. Remember how it all begins. A little smile from your friends. I give you my small hope when things get the world's different now. We feel more of us. This place is such a mess, but we always pass the test. When you feel like looking up, when the days are getting tough, we're getting us that drug. A little bit's enough when all that's left is love. The world is